Welcome to my channel. This is Tech and Wheel with Pat. So today I'm gonna install a pair of aux beam, and I will guide you through how to change a light bulb, which can help. And since I'm upgrading, so it could be a nice idea to have both words, how to change a normal light bulb and how to upgrade if you have to upgrade, and what you have to think of and what you have to be careful of. So I'm going to show you a few things that are quite important when you're changing a light bulb. So I'm just going to move the camera angle. So here we are again. This is tips and tricks number 13, upgrading to LED. And as you can see, I bought a pair of aux beam S2 9005. They are the one that were recommended. I had a talk with the dealer, and that's the pair he recommended. So I already tested it. Since I changed already the left one, I will put a picture. You don't see it much, but it's definitely more white and yellowish when you have a high beam. The thing is, when you buy an LED light, you have to be careful. They're warm and they need a fan. So as you can see, you have a fan. Some of them have other way to cool them down. But the thing is, the thickness of the light bulbs. If you see it from this angle, you see that it's a little bit thicker, and it needs around 3 centimeters in the back to be able to get air and to cool down correctly, which it actually does at a millimeter with the MG. So as I said, I already installed one on that side. You can see it's in. The cap is on, so there is the light bulb is in. And I'm gonna do the other one, which is the cap is off. So what is interesting is, well, the caps is not a screw cap. So you have 3 pattern like the light bulb, where you just twist and then you pull out. So, and you twist counterclockwise, and usually you should have the little tab here that you call the hold on, and you just pull it out. And same way the other way around. Something else, when you buy light bulbs, you have to be careful that you have right and left light bulb. If you see the pattern here, you see that the little mark goes to the right side. So that's the right side bulb. If you see on that one, the pattern on the top goes on the left side. So that's a left bulb. So what you can do is enjoy yourself. If you install it and you do it wrong, it will take you about 15 minutes to figure out. I mean, that's what it took me to figure out. And I mean, changing a light bulb, yeah, okay, no comment. But at least I did that mistake, and now you can learn of it. Same way, when you place it, they are placed exactly the same. So when you set it in, it's always at the 45 here at the 45 degree angle in, and you twist it straight. You don't have to. What is amazing with those aux beam, you don't have to adjust, adapt, or screw anything. I mean, it fits in, and when it lights bright and really nice. So what I will do, I might install both, or actually I will turn the car, and I will try to show you how it is when it's when you have one of each, which one is which. Okay, so see you soon. Well, now you can see the difference. You can see on the right side it's the original light bulb, and on the left side is the new LED light bulb. So one thing is, which is important as well, this light bulb is just a plug and play, and it's so easy to install. Doesn't require any conversion or whatever. You can see in the car there is no alert whatsoever about light fail or light bulb or whatever. It doesn't require anything. It's just plug and play. That product is, I can recommend it to you because I wanted to try it, so I bought a set just for my own use. And well, let's try the high beam as well. No, wrong. That's the high beam. You can see the difference. It's definitely more bright on the left side than on the right side. And the pattern as well is a little bit more wider, but it's as crisp as the original, so it's no fading in the pattern of the light. Another thing with those light bulbs, you can see that they have a plus and minus. Plus is plus and minus is minus, but when you take the original light bulb, you don't have anything marked. No plus, no minus. So what you have to do, focus here, you see you have two cables. You have a red and a black one. The red is the plus and the black one is the minus. So it's just to make sure that you plug the plus on the red and the minus on the black one, and you should be fine.